Hello everyone, in this video I'll explain to you in 60 seconds what the KubeCPU overcommit alert means and how to fix it. Let's go. First of all, this alert does not mean that there's a problem in your cluster right now. In fact, your alert can be perfectly healthy even while this alert is firing. What does it mean? It means that if even a single node in your cluster fails, that failure will be enough to cause pods go into pending state because there isn't enough excess capacity in your cluster. In other words, your cluster doesn't have a lot of spare capacity, so it won't handle node failures well. Should you fix that? Really, that's up to you. If you want to be able to handle the failure of a node gracefully, then you should fix this problem, and the way to do so is just to add more nodes. Now, if a single node fails, then those pods that were running on that node would just go over to the new node and everything will be fine. Do you have to fix this? No, in fact, you don't have to. If you don't care about making your cluster more robust in that way to handle the failure of a single node, then you can just open up the alert and hit the silence button right here. That's all for today. Good luck and happy fixing.